Hi, my name is Solomon, and we are at the beach because it's the 100th day of school for us. Please enjoy. Hey guys, so I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Like I mentioned before, today we were celebrating our 100 days of school. And I actually started these 100 days just to keep my kids encouraged throughout the school year, because I realized that at some point they were like, I don't want to do schoolwork anymore. I'm tired. So having the 100 days chart on our wall has been a success, because they just look forward to going on a field trip and they just love it, and we all have so much fun. Anyways, after we had a good day at the beach, on our way back home, we saw this Goodwill, and obviously we have to go in, right? Because that's just me. I love thrifting. So I'm just gonna show you really quick what I got. I usually go for the tags. Like Goodwill usually has like a tag of the day or a color of the day. And today they had 3 colors, so I went for those colors. So everything had either 25%, 50%, or 75%. So let me start over here. Okay, so this vintage hat, I just thought it was super cute. I actually looked it up, and it's actually like a 40s, 50s kind of hat. And this one was an orange tag, which didn't have discount, but it was only $1.99. So I was like, I'm gonna go for it. So, yay! I'm gonna have to wear this for a photo shoot or something like that. Another thing I got was this little cute frame that has a little picture. I just thought it was super cute, and I want to put it in the bathroom so that kids can see it. This was 50 cents because it was originally 99 cents, and I only paid 50 cents because it was 50% off, I believe. So another thing I got was, I'm very proud of is this super cute shoes. Oh my word. And you know what? I had seen these at Target since last year, and every time I saw them I was like, oh, I should buy them, they're so cute. But they were $50, retail sale $50, and obviously I didn't want to spend $50 on a pair of shoes. Well, today I found them. The original price was $7.99, but because it was purple, I paid 50% off the $7.99, so I think I ended up paying $4 for this. And they're like in perfect shape. Look, pretty much brand new. I'm so excited about wearing these shoes. So happy because I found this. Hey, and the rest are just little things. I found this little sign board. I already have one. It's a little bit bigger, but when I saw this one, I was like, oh, this one's black. I don't have a black one, and I could use an extra one. So yeah, this one was also 99 cents, but it had like a discount, so I paid like around 50 cents for it. My husband really wanted to buy this for our teenage girl. She really likes Doctor Who, and it was $1.69. I don't think this one had a discount, but yay, super cute. My husband also found a pair of Levi's. He really has a hard time finding pants most of the time. I'm sorry about that. So these are like a light black jeans, dark gray, but they're Levi's, original Levi's, and I do believe these were less than $4 because they were one of the tags of the day, color of the day. So he was very happy about finding these jeans, so I hope they work out for him. I also found this one that I also got for my teenage girl. She really likes these rock band shirts, t-shirts. It was not a color, but it was only $1.69. It was one of the colors, I mean, but it was just $1.69, so I got it for her. I also got this tank top. I love having these tank tops that I can wear under my shirts, especially because a lot of them are like see-through, or blouses. This one was $1.69, and it was also one of the colors of the day, so I only paid like $1 for it. Another tank top, also one of the colors. Really good deals. I found this cute little blouse. I love the color, I love the detail of it. Also one of the colors, $2.99, but I think I paid like $2.50, something like that. I should give you a better price, though. Alright, my husband also found this shirt. It was $1.69. This was not one of the colors, but it was only $1.69. And he also found this one. Not one of the colors, but it was only also $1.69. But I'm glad he found some shirts. He has a hard time finding things that he likes. Okay, so this one, Christmas cup. I know Christmas is over. You know what? When I see things that I know I can save for next year, for the next season, I'm gonna snatch it. And it was only 99 cents. And it has a J. My name starts with a J, so I just have to have it. And I found this cute one that was $1.99, but it has my sister's name for those of you who don't know, I have a little sister and her name is Sarah. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, it has a beautiful flower and it says Sarah, so it's gonna be a perfect gift for her. And finally, I found this pair of gingham sheets for my kids' beds. It comes with this set of 2 sheets, and it was only $1 per sheet. And I love the color, and I think it's just gonna be perfect for my kids' bed because I always need extra sheets for my kids. So, and that was it. That's pretty much all we got. But we had so much fun. If you like this type of video, just put it in the comments and let us know. Let us know what you think. Let us know what else you would like to see from us. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you will be notified every time we post a new video. Thank you for watching.